back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Idol K and I do Christian praise and worship song covers and tutorials on ukulele. For this video is a ukulele tutorial of the worship song Above All by Michael Smith. First of all, kunin mo muna yung ukulele mo and make sure na ito ay nasa standard tuning ng G, C, E, A. Para sa awit na to, kailangan natin ng 5 chords, 5 easy chords, okay? First chord is G. For the beginners, ayan ang G. Next is the C chord. So, 3rd fret, 1st string. Next is D chord. Next is E minor. Para siyang hagdan. Next is A minor. Isang string lang. Itong 2nd fret, 4th string. A minor. Ito lang. And there you go. For our strumming patterns, we're gonna need 2 strumming patterns. First is yung down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. A little bit slower. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. At yung isa pang strumming pattern naman as yung down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Once again, a little bit slower. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Sa verse 1 ng awiting ito, ang first chord is G. Again, like kung sinasabi, kung nasang tapat yung chord, dun yung, sa tapat ng chord na word, dun pa lang yung start mo ng strumming at syempre ng pag-awit. Okay? First chord is G. Down, 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 up. Aba. Above all powers. Ganon. Kung nasaan yung katapat. So, yung unang strumming pattern ang gagamitin natin dito, which is yung down, 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 up. Okay? Umpisa natin ulit sa G. Down, 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 up. Lipat agad sa C. Down, 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 up. And then D chord. Down, 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 up. Dito sa G, kapag may nakita kang tuldok, ibig sabihin, ang strumming pattern na gagamitin natin dyan is yung down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay? So, yun na nga sa G, yung down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And again, balik tayo sa unang strumming pattern sa C. Down, 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 up. And then D. Down, 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 up. And then sa G, yun yung down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Next is E minor. Down, 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 up. D. Down, 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 up. And then dito sa C, kapag may bracket na pinagsama kong dalawang chord, ibig sabihin, share sila sa strumming pattern na down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So sa C, down, down, and then sa G, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And then sa A minor, down, 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 up. C, down, 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 up. And then again, pag may bracket, D, down, down, and then G, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, para mas maintindihan mo, let me demo kung papaano ang magiging ano niya. Above all powers, above all kings, above all nature, this one greater thing. Sorry, mali ang lyrics ko. Above all wisdom fast to verse 2. Agad-agad, verse 2 yan, kadugsong yan. Kaya medyo mahaba yung up, down, up sa G kasi above all kingdoms. So, sa C yun, down, 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 up. And then D, down, 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 up. And then sa G, kapag may tuldok, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And then sa C, down, 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 up. D, down, 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 up. And then G, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And then E minor, down, 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 up. D, treasures, down, 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 up. And then sa, pag may bracket ulit, C and G, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And then A minor, down, 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 up. C, down, 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 up. And then sa D, pag may tuldok, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, without me having to say the chords and strumming patterns, at para mas maunawaan mo, this should sound like this. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wonders this world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures of the earth, there's no way to measure what's worth. And then, pupunta naman tayo sa chorus. Dito sa chorus, makikita nyo sa screen na may mga bracket. Ibig sabihin, yun yung maghahati sila sa down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Simulan natin sa chord ng G. Crucified. G. Down, down, A minor. Up, 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 down, up, down, up. And then D. Down, down, G. Up, 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 down, up, down, up. And then G ulit. Down, down, A minor. Up, 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 down, up, down, up. D. Down, down, G. Up, 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 down, up, down, up. And then like a rose. Down, 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 up. D. Down, 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 up. And then C. Down, down, G. Up, 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 down, up, down, up. The reason kung bakit ganun yun, pwede rin naman siyang yung like a rose, pwede rin namang down, down, tapos trampled on. Kaya lang, tinry ko kasi rin, pero mas nabibigyang diin yung verse na yon. I mean, yung line ng chorus na yon. So, ikaw, depende rin sa style mo kung gusto mong baguhin or kung gusto mong ibahin, yun na, baguhin, ibahin, or sundin mo lang din yung depende yung sa'yo, sibs. So, you took the fall, A minor, down, down, and then E minor, up, 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 down, up, and thought of me, C, down, down, and then D, up, 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 down, up, and then G, may tuldok, so, solo lang niya, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, without me, again, having to say the chords and strumming patterns, ito yon. All the chords that you need to know para matugtog mo at maawit mo ang above all. I hope na meron kang natutunan sa tutorial na ito. And kung meron kang mga nais i-comment, itanong, or kahit na just comment down below, huwag kang mahihiya. At baka nakakalimutan mo na hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And lagi mong tatandaan na ang pag-awit para sa Panginoon, hindi yan pagandahan ng boses, kundi pagandahan ng nilalaman ng puso. Love and light to you!